So, hi guys, I got something very exciting today, and this is the ROV Pro from Rhino. And this is basically the DSLR slider, the motorized slider from Rhino. And I'm very lucky that I'm the first batch of people who got the shipment from Rhino. And now I'm gonna open this. Unfortunately, I live in Canada, so when they shipped from Seattle, I had to pay roughly 101 Canadian dollars for custom duties, import duties. And well, to me, I think it's worth it because of how good this product is. If you want a detailed review, I'll be uploading a review up on my channel, and be sure to subscribe, and I'll keep you updated. Now let's open the box and take a first look at the Rhino ROV Pro. Finally, very nicely packed. I have to say, there are lots of bubble in the box and random paper. And finally, that is the ROV Pro Traveler version. I got the longer version because I think for my use, I would need something longer. And I'm usually a one-man band, so a longer version allows me to, well, basically just set the timer for longer periods of time, and I'll be able to film myself on my other channel, which I'm not promoting on this one yet. Anyways, let's take everything aside, and oh, it even provides an ND filter. Very nice. So anyways, that's how long the Traveler version is. As a comparison, I'll be putting my Rode VideoMic Pro Plus right here. So it's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 of these Rode VideoMic Pro Plus. So yeah, hopefully I'll get a chance to test the ROV Pro soon. But anyways, cinematic motion, ROV Pro Traveler, and let's see, Rhino, find your story. Very nice box. It's got tape here and tape there. I'm so excited. Alright. Whoops, I flipped it upside down. That's a mega fail for me. Kinda weird, but is there something here? Oh, there is something here. So basically all these phone mount, ball head, charger. I think it comes with, one is the US version and one is the European version. So you get both wall outlets in your package. And yeah, you get your wall, you get your, wait, actually, oh, that is not a phone mount. That is actually different versions of the wall outlet for different regions. USB cable. I'm surprised that it still uses a USB 2 cable instead of USB-C. It would be nice if there's a USB-C port. But anyways, that's not really a big problem. As far as I know, the slider lasts for about 20 hours of usage, so should be plenty enough. So let's put all the accessories aside and look at the ROV Pro, the actual product. So there's a card, not sure what it's for. Oh, it's a user manual, never mind. So that's a user manual. And so by default, the Rhino ROV Pro comes with the phone mount here. You know what? That will be a good chance for me to test my Huawei P20 Pro for time lapses and videos. So anyways, that's the ROV Pro. It's very well made. It's all metal built. USB 2.0 port. I mean the micro USB port. Power button, power indicator, battery indicator. Now I'm wondering, where are the legs?
Where are the legs? Pretty below. That's a good question.
Where are the legs? ROV Pro variable mobile ND filter. So, oh, that's a variable ND filter for mobile, so I can use it on my smartphone. That's very nice for Rhino to include one of these. I don't really use. I rarely use my smartphone for photography, unless I didn't bring my camera, of course. But that's very nice of them for bringing us a ND filter. Anyways, I think overall this is a very good product. Now, we can always switch this out for... Oh, the legs are here. It's not detachable. So, at first I actually thought we have to attach legs down at the bottom, but no. It's actually attached already, and that's how you loosen the legs. You flick the thing out and you're basically ready to go. That's how fast it is to set up this product. And last time Peter McKinnon was doing a promotion for this product, and I believe they did it in Iceland. They showed how fast you can set up the ROV Pro in Iceland for a shoot. And that's part of the main selling point of the ROV Pro, is that it's fast to set up and it's compatible with Android app, iOS app, and you can program it however you want. So I think this will be a very interesting product. Can't wait to test it out. So that's it for the ROV Pro unboxing, and remember to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Alright, see ya.